Hello everyone, welcome back to Java programming series. In today's video, we are going to talk about another important control flow statement that is called the while loop in Java. So what is while loop? A while loop in Java is a control flow statement that allow a block of code to be executed repeatedly based on a certain condition. Unlike for loop, the while loop continue to run as long as the condition remains true. So the syntax of while loop you can see here, you have to start with while and open parenthesis and close parenthesis, and inside that you can put your condition. So if the condition will be true, this while loop will be run. So the while loop check the condition before executing the block of the code. If condition is true, code inside the loop is executed. After each execution, the condition is checked again. If the condition became false, automatically the loop will stop, and it is pretty simple, but trust me, it is very powerful. So let's start with same thing. How we can print from 1 to 5 inside the while loop. In the for loop, we already learned from the last video. So here how we can do. So first of all, let's declare our starting number. So int I equal to 1. Now we have to use the while syntax. And inside this while, we have to put condition like if it is less than 6, then please go inside the while loop. So here I can say I less than 6. So here what we can do, let's try to print first of all a random. So if you run, so what will be happen here? It will keep running. Why it is happening? Let's try to put the breakpoint and see. So currently I value is what? 1. So it will come inside the while loop. You can see I equal to 1. Now it will try to print this line. Similarly, it will go next. So you can see, right? It is keep printing. But I value is always 1. It is not increment like I equal to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Then once 6 will come, automatically this code will be stopped. So due to that, the code will keep running. So always remember to put some condition here, and this condition need to be false. Otherwise, be ready for the nuclear bomb, because your console will be bombarded by the whatever statement you are printing in your sysout statement. So what we can do here, just say like I plus plus. So it will behave like I equal to I plus 1. So first time when we'll try to run, on that time I value is what? 1. So it will say like 1 plus 1. Now it will change like 2. So again, once this line will executed, automatically the code will come. Here it will show like I equal to 2. So let's try to run into debug mode. So currently what I value is 1. So it will come inside. You can see, right, currently I equal to 1. Once this line will executed, automatically I value will be changed as 2. So you can see I value is now 2. So let's remove this one. Now I value 2, I value is 3, I value is 4, I value is 5. Till 5 it will come. So once I value will be changed as a 6, automatically this code will be stop executing. So you can see totally printed 5 times. Now let's put the value of I. Now you can run. So you can see we are able to print here I value from 1 to 5. So let's try to understand. Here we have initialized I equal to 1, and here we put our condition with the while syntax like once I value is less than 6, then please go inside this while loop. And here after printing the I value, we are just incrementing the I value by 1 by using I plus plus. Please remember, once you comment this line, that means if you forget to increment by 1 or 2, then you can see I value is 1. So here also you can play like if I equal to 3, then you can just print some message. So what you can do, just say like if I equal to 3, then just say like hello and just print the I value. So once you will run, you can see first time I value is 1, then 2, then 3. Once the I value is 3, the if condition satisfy, and that's why we are able to see the message like hello 3, but it will not satisfy for I value as a 4 or 5. So try to understand, try to play with the code, then you will understand how the while loop is working. Don't think like it is a pretty simple. It is look like simple, but it is very powerful. Once we are going to deal with some complex code, then you will understand the importance of while loop. So let's recap. First of all, we learn about the while loop. So a while loop is perfect when you want to keep executing a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. Make sure to update your loop variable inside the loop to avoid infinite loop. It is great tool for scenario like repeated user input or processing data in the real time. So that's it for today video about the while loop in Java.